Okay, that little small steel spacer goes right here on the shaft. You need to take a little bit of grease, put it in there, and put it on the shaft like that to hold that spacer in place, because you're going to tip it upside down, put it on the drum, or the tub, I should say. That's the proper word for it. Get some sawhorses like this so you can put it straight down on the inside. Let's see if I can put the camera down, and I don't know if that'll work. Let's see here. That might work. Okay. Okay, it's on. Spins good. Seems tight. There's no looseness, which is what I want it to do. Can't have it the other way. Trying to get the silicone gun down so I can seal that O-ring up. Of course, it doesn't want to go on. There we go. Need to scratch all the. There we go. Poke it out. I'm not going to put a whole lot on here, just enough that I'm confident that it will be sealed up. Get a little bit on the sides, that's okay. You can wipe it off. When you clamp the tub together, what's going to happen is it's going to squeeze off on the inside, which is okay also, as long as it doesn't have too much on the inside, because you don't want it to break off, and then if it breaks off, it might get in your little pump and your filter and all that crap before, but which is nothing compared to the problem this and all the other front-loading machines out there in the world have. So putting a thing of silicone on here. Some parts that are kind of thick, I'm going to go over it again. Make sure. This is pretty stout stuff. Never used this kind of silicone before. I'm looking for an automotive brand, something that I'm familiar with. But you know, I was at Lowe's, and this is all I had. So guess what? This is what I'm using. So you see, it's kind of clear. And it seems to want to dry up pretty quickly, so I'm not sure that's a really good thing. Now, put the other half on. You can only go on one way. This is the one that's got the weights on it. Okay? Word of caution, you may want to wear gloves when you take your machine apart, because I cut my finger open something really bad. taking this machine apart last week. Cut it open, I had to get 4 stitches, and I can't feel anything in the tip of my finger. I knew that that metal was horrendous, but it is what it is. Now I'm going to bolt it together.